Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create an incredible solar system animation in PowerPoint. This step-by-step guide is perfect for anyone who wants to make their presentations more engaging. Before starting the video, we have already created one video on solar system. You can go through that video also. We will provide link in the description box. So, without wasting much time, let's start the video. First, we will set the background. Right-click on slide, select Format Background and choose Picture or Texture Fill. Then, click on Files, select your image and insert it. This will give our slide the perfect cosmic look. Next, let's create the orbits of the planets. Click on Shape and pick the circle shape. Drag it on the slide and flatten it slightly to make a elliptical. Set the shape fill to no fill and change the outline color to light gray or white. If you are working with 8 planets, duplicate the shape 7 times to create all the orbits. Then, align all the shapes by selecting them, going to Align and choose Align Center and Align Middle. To adjust size of the orbit, select each shape one by one and while holding down Ctrl Shift, increase the size of each orbit progressively. This will create evenly spaced orbits around the center. Once the orbits are ready, select all of them, go to Shape Format, click on Effects and choose Off-Axis 1 Top from the 3D Rotation preset. Now, right-click on the orbits, select Cut and then paste as a picture. This step flattens the design and allows us to work it with as a single image. Next, click on Crop and adjust the image to fit perfectly on the slide. Now, let's add the planets. The reason why we are using the GIF is that they are already animated to rotate. It will save us our time. Go to Insert, click on Pictures and select all the planets GIF. Insert them into the slide. Resize each planet to fit its respective orbits and position them accordingly. Now comes the fun part, animating the planets. Start with Neptune, select the planet, go to Animation, click on Add Animation and choose Shape from the Motion Path option. Open the animation pane, click on Effects option and set the Smooth Start and Smooth End to 0. Then go to Timing, set Start with Previous and set the duration to 40 seconds. Make sure to select until end of slide. Adjust the motion path to match Neptune's orbit perfectly. Use the animation painter to apply the same animation to Uranus and adjust the path. Set the duration to 35 seconds. Repeat this process for other planets also, progressively reducing their durations. Saturn, 30 seconds. Jupiter, 25 seconds. Mars 20 seconds. Earth 15 seconds. Venus 10 seconds. Mercury 5 seconds. Now select the Sun, go to Format and bring it to the front. Finally, select all the planets except Sun, go to Animation options, go to Effect options and choose the reverse path direction. This ensures the planets rotate in the correct direction around the Sun. And that's it. Your solar system animation is ready now. You can showcase this stunning animation in your presentations. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Akshrika tutorials for more creative PowerPoint ideas. See you in next video. Thank you.